Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Galaxy Buds 2 so quiet. Firstly, I recommend it to clean the grill. At this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds and you need to just remove ear tip and then clean this grill with a toothbrush, or you can use a cleaning tool and clean it with a brush from this cleaning tool. Next one, maybe your headphones just too old. It's not a new earbuds, so maybe it's just too old. Also, if you have this problem only with one earbud, we can change something. So we can change sound balance. I will show you firstly on Android device and then on Apple device how to change it. So on your Android, go to the settings and then you need to scroll down and find accessibility. I have it on my phone at the bottom. You need to tap on it, and after that you need to scroll down again and find audio adjustment, and I also have this phone on the bottom. Tap on it, and right here we have sound balance. So if you have a problem with the right one, you just move this dot to the right, and you will increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And let's say if you use 100% for the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. And it's the same with the left one, so just move it to the left. And again, you will increase the volume on your left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to Apple device. Also, I forget to tell you on Android part that some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, I mean visually. So maybe you have the settings like on iPhone. And on iPhone you need to open settings and go to accessibility, what's located under the general settings. So you click at the accessibility, and right here you need to also scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. You tap on it, then scroll down just a bit, and right here we have sound balance. If you have your problem with the right earbud, you move this dot, or if you have iOS 26, the slider, to the right. And we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute your sound on the left earbud. And it's the same for the left earbud. You just move this dot or the slider to the left. And we just increase it for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. Now, if to change sound balance didn't help you also, maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.